today's day 8 and woke up a lot better, got a lot more rest, and going back to the classic breakfast in hand. But what today's plan is, there's so many things in my head right now. So there could be potential, make an actual app for thoughts to actions. So instead of having the voice to note part it'll still be on the web app, it will be also on the phone app, so that they could just, whip up their phone, maybe even in a widget, just record a voice note, and then that'll be synthesized and summarized for them to come back to on their laptop later in the day. I think that's quite a cool addition, and if it's not too hard, I'll be prompting on GPT to figure out what the overall length would be, because I've attempted to code a phone app before. Because I've done it in React, I don't think porting over most of the things will be hard to React Native, which is a beautiful thing. It's just launching and all those sort of things, the testing and all that. If that's doable in a day, I might just push it out. The other one is getting the free URL to a markdown page done, just gone and done. That would be cool. And then overall thoughts on how the social medias are going. I think those are the 3 things that I could potentially go into today. But yeah, gonna go back to the live streams and just getting everything going, because I'm just a lot more productive through that, because it just feels like someone's always watching. It actually enables that sort of reality to be true. So let's continue working and let's continue grinding. Although the results from the launch hasn't been too great, Smit coming in, which was one of my friends from uni, and saying that the app is actually pretty cool and he actually wants to try it out today, I'm hoping he'll give some really interesting feedback, and I'll basically just pursue that feedback and just try and iterate a little bit, and maybe even relaunch thoughts to actions whilst also building the other one. But sick. Speak soon. I just want to show what is going on. This is AI coding. Okay, GPT, little snippet in the corner. You got cursor going on over here, and then you got the stream in the background. This has been an interesting experience. I had one viewer, Foitzer, just come along and kind of advise me on GPT and how you can actually integrate it desktop. I mean, I've always had it, but I just never really integrated it and utilized it. And I definitely think it's worth it, rather than flicking between Arc all the time and cursor. It's definitely already saved time, which is good. I think I think I'm just going to get it out into an app version and just see if that gets utilized more, or if users are liking it more. I'm going to app version, Google authentication on web and mobile. And then we should be in a good spot. If I have time after that, I want to go gym and eat and be pretty chill. So I want to hopefully be in a good spot with a mobile version in about 2 hours. That's a bit hopeful. So by 2:30, 3, I want to be going to grab lunch. And then around hopefully 6 or 7ish, I can just go and grab dinner and go gym. That's my plan. But yeah, speak soon and wish me luck. Well, we didn't get to deploying it onto the iOS store or the Android store, but the nuts and bolts, the foundations of the world, the actual mobile application have been made. All the functionality, the main functionality of transcribing, synthesizing your thoughts via voice is in the app. Damn, what a grind though. Took some fucking time, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, let's get to editing to this video, get a good night's rest, and back at it again tomorrow. Let's actually eat well and go to the gym tomorrow though, because I have not been on top of this grind. It's not been ideal that my parents have left for Japan. Now I have to actually cook and worry about that as well, which is long. And with my grinding, absolute grinding, it's not really happening. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Good night's sleep. See you soon. Bye-bye.